Success is not fame or money or the power to bewitch. It is to have celebrated something valuable from your own individuality and skill a garden, an embroidery, a painting, a cake, a life, said by Charlotte Gray. A special day was led by a passionate group of embroiderers who felt that this wonderful art should be acknowledged to be a day filled with creativity for the sake of peace, freedom, and equality. They took the initiative to custom that special day to celebrate embroidery. Since then, the day was being marked all over the world by embroiderers in finding new and innovative ways to honor their favorite craft. That day, the 30th July 2011, was inaugurated as First World Embroidery Day and today celebrating 10th anniversary of World Embroidery Day. I'm so happy to share with all of you that I started my channel Live Your Dream with the topic embroidery, which is my all-time favorite. I enjoy doing and teaching embroidery as I see the spark in my students' eyes and a pleasant smile on their face when they get a lovely outcome of their effort. Today, on the occasion of 10th World Embroidery Day, I would like to thank each one of you from the bottom of my heart for watching, liking my videos, and sharing them with family and friends, and also subscribing. This is the motivation for me to do many more videos on embroidery. Please stay tuned for more. Thank you all once again.